it's Reverend Leora. I'm here to invite you to a special Beyond Sunday Ministry presentation. Sunday, July 27th at 2 p.m. at Poly Chapel, and you'll see the information on the website. We will have Dr. Ruth Wilkerson come and make a special presentation. So come and join us. Her topic is New Beginnings. I can use that, and I know you can use that as well. So come on down. And also in August, Beyond Sunday Ministry with Unity Chapel is sponsoring Dr. David Fears, Reverend Dr. David Fears from Huntington Beach, and he's coming to do an uplift, just a dynamic workshop on magnificence. And the title of it is Your Magnificent Shows. So come and be inspired. The benefit of this event is to assist community children that have already been selected to receive a new pair of shoes for the first day of school. And I know you will want to assist Beyond Sunday Ministry with Unity to make that happen for these lovely little children. So children that are of special circumstance, I'll say, we are going to donate for them these new shoes. We're going to take them shopping, and they are going to shop till they drop. So join us and encourage these children. Please donate, and I'll see you soon. And thanks for being here today with me.